Simhastha means the Guru is in his peak last 3 years from 2012 to 2015. The Guru was raising in a very peak energy. That is why usually Kumbh Mela will come only once in 3 years. But just now we had Kumbh Mela in Nasik. Within 6 months, the next Kumbh Mela. Why? Once in 300 years, Guru moves in high speed, in high energy. Other than the Surya, sun, all the grahas are subdued under Guru's influence. And Surya and Guru become one. They experience Advaita. So what happens, exactly? All the grahas completely support enlightenment related knowledge, initiations, activities on the planet Earth. The whole energy supports enlightenment related activities. That is why within 6 months, Nasik happened just in September and October. Again in May this year, within 6 months, March, April of this year. Actually, April Kumbh Mela is starting. So within 6 months, the Kumbh Mela is coming because Guru is in the high energy and intense movement. That is what is called Simhastha. So, this whole transition of 2012 to 2015 is reaching its climax in this Kumbh Mela. In this Kumbh Mela, and it is very rare the Kumbh Mela comes within 6 months because it's always once in 3 years. Actually, after this Ujjaini Kumbh Mela, next Kumbh Mela is 2019 only. 2019. Even the earlier, before Nasik Kumbh Mela, it was 2013. Only then 2015 we had a next Kumbh Mela. But this two Kumbh Mela, why so close within 6 months? Because Guru is moving in high energy, he is in his peak, becoming one with Surya, and all other 7 grahas are subdued. Even Rahu and Sani cannot move you away from enlightenment in this space. Even Rahu supports you. Even Rahu cannot overpower you. That is why, for all the human beings, this is the best time to learn and work in the line of enlightenment. Enlightenment related knowledge, initiation, classes, programs, for everything. This is the best time. And Ujjaini is the best space because Guru and Surya, both their energies intensely falling on Ujjaini. That is why I am saying, even the sun in Ujjaini will not be burning you, he will be just purifying you. You will feel just the sun rays of Ujjaini will be awakening the bliss chemistry in you, will be just purifying you. He will not be burning you. You can experientially see in Ujjaini. That is why Ujjaini, right time, right space, right place. That is why Simhastha, that is why Ujjaini. Please understand, the Simhastha energy happens only once in 300 years. Only once in 300 years Kumbh Mela comes within 6 months. Otherwise it is always once in 3 years. It's a rare happening. That is why this time I am using this beautiful opportunity to awaken and give you all this unique enlightenment experience and the spiritual powers